Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this Toyota RAV4 today, and here you can see we have installed a 9-inch screen head unit in the car. First of all, this is a 9-inch display, HD display. Here you can see the sharpness of the screen. This is the M400 variant that we are selling. Right now, as you can see, this is the home menu, and in the home menu we have lots of applications here. These are the shortcuts all for different apps, different settings. First of all, I will connect my phone. Here is the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both are wireless. So first of all, we have here the Waze navigation, so you can navigate using any kind of navigation that you have on your mobile phone. Is it either Waze, Google Maps, or any other kind of third-party navigation system? It will work with the CarPlay if it supports. Then we have, first of all, music, phone, maps, messages, now playing. This back button, podcast, audiobooks. We have calendar, Google Maps, Swedish radio, Parkstar app, Easy Park. We have Uber apps, we have WeChat, we have Viber, Zoom, WhatsApp, and Waze. So on the here you can see we have the split screen. If I go back on the Android screen, this is the Android interface of the screen. So all the apps they are like Android screen's own apps. So you can see here we have installed one USB slot here and one SIM card slot for the SIM card to access internet directly. So here you can see this is the SIM card slot. So one SIM card is occupied by this DAB antenna, so we have installed the DAB antenna as well. Here you can see we have like all the DAB signals coming. So here you can see, so everything is working. So steering wheel working. So DAB, like we have the normal radio as well. Here is the normal radio that we are using.
Please. Inom byggbranschen.
So all steering wheel buttons are working. Then if we go here, we have like apps. On the app menu we have App Store, aux, Bluetooth music. We have CarLink is basically wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We have Chrome, we have DAB, we have this DSP equalizer as well. You can just check the sound settings and adjustments here. If we go back, we have the fan. This is for the keeping the screen cool. Here you can see the CPU temperature here. Then if you go back here, we have file manager to like copy, move, and adjust files from USB to screen, because screen has inbuilt 64 gigabytes of memory. Then we have like gallery. If you have any applications, any files in the gallery, it will appear here directly. Then we have like Google. We have DVR. Right now DVR is not connected. We have iGo navigation, which works for Europe, and it's completely offline. So I will select English UK. So that's the language. Accept, next. I will select kilometers, fuel economy, liter per 100. So next. Vehicle, car, you can see lots of settings. Then I will finish. So here you can see it is showing that we are Malmwagen, so it's working without any kind of internet, so it works offline. This is an offline navigation that we offer with our screens. Then we have like Google Maps. This Google Maps needs internet, but right now screen is not connected with any kind of internet. Here is the Wi-Fi. I will connect Wi-Fi from my mobile phone, but I think it's connected with our shop Wi-Fi as well. So I will connect like this. It supports 5G Wi-Fi signals. Here you can see I have connected a 5G network here. Here is the Google Maps. So Google Maps will be loaded automatically, because right now it's a little bit slow. I don't have lots of signals because it's in the shop. It will take some time because of internet. Maybe needs to update the app. Then we have like music player. In the music players we have lots of music installed. Here you can see. So here the music is playing in the background, so you can see. We will turn off the music, and here you can see the Stockholm map is loaded here, so we can get directions and everything. I will open the maps from settings here. The Google Map settings, you can see everything is working right now. It has loaded all the maps and data. Then we have navigation shortcut. You can pair this navigation according to your taste. I will not pair right now. Then we have Netflix, we have Play Store. Netflix, for Netflix I need the account to play Netflix, so here is the Netflix app that is installed from factory. I will not update this version, so here you can see everything is available. Then I have the Play Store right now. Obviously for Play Store I need to sign in an account. So then we have radio that I have shown you earlier. Then we have some settings. Here we have lots of settings. Then we have Spotify here. For Spotify as well, I don't have any kind of internet, but when I will connect any kind of internet, so it's like with USB, with the SIM card or with Wi-Fi, it will work automatically. I have some steering wheel settings. I can pair these buttons according to my own choice. Then we have like Google. We can surf directly from the Google search engine. We have HD DVR, iGo navigation, steering wheel buttons. We have the Stork app. Unfortunately this adapter that we have was not supported, but you can purchase for your car and connect from here. It will show real-time data of your car. There are lots of OBDs that are supported with Android devices. Then we have touch assistant. We have this video player, so you can watch video while driving. So here you can see this is the inbuilt video. We have YouTube as well, like this. If we like, we can say GTR or 35. So right now my internet is not that fast, but it will work very good on connecting. So here you can see all the videos and everything is working. So that's the you can see the Bluetooth with Wi-Fi, the videos working. I'll do it on full screen. Autoplay is on, so you can watch videos from YouTube as well. So that's the screen for today. This is the 4GB variant M400S. If you want the 200S, we have the cheapest versions as well for this screen. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, you can ask us in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. I will provide all the necessary links or information to contact. You can contact us via our email or with our WhatsApp number. So that's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.